Hi, in this video we will talk about voucher module in Crystal Retail Suite. Today, we will cover following topics: importance of vouchers in retail business, voucher creation, sales of voucher, use/redeem vouchers, voucher reports. In today's dynamic retail landscape, attracting customers is key to success. Vouchers are not just monetary transactions, they're opportunities to create memorable experiences and foster loyalty. Customers are drawn to the versatility of vouchers, whether it's a freebie or a discounted purchase. It's not just about the product, it's about the anticipation, the joy of giving, and the excitement of receiving. By offering vouchers, you are not only providing a convenient gifting option, but also tapping into the emotional connection customers have with your brand. It's a win-win situation, where both you and your customers walk away satisfied. To create a new voucher, select Generate Voucher option under Vouchers. Crystal Retail Suite offers dynamic voucher creation. We can create two kinds of vouchers. The first type is limited with validity. These vouchers have a set number and unique codes, and they expire on a certain date. They're meant to boost sales by encouraging customers to use them before they expire. The second type is open vouchers. They have no limit on quantity and never expire. You can generate as many as you need and use them anytime, without any time restrictions. Let's create a sample limited voucher. Give it a name. We'll generate 10 vouchers, each for the value of 20. These vouchers will expire on April 30th, 2024. Upon pressing the Generate Vouchers button, the system will create unique 10-digit alphanumeric codes. You can choose to save or regenerate them as needed. After creating vouchers, you can sell them to customers by choosing Voucher Sales and selecting the customer's phone number. Valid vouchers will be listed, and you can choose the voucher name and number for sale. The price will be automatically filled. Select the salesperson's name, click Add, and you can issue multiple vouchers per invoice. The system will record payment details, ensuring accurate daily sales figures. Upon clicking the Save button, the system will automatically generate sales invoices for customers, facilitating the reconciliation of sales figures with daily collections. This integrated process ensures seamless documentation and accurate tracking of financial transactions, enhancing overall efficiency and transparency. To create an open voucher with unlimited validity, choose the Open option from the Voucher Type drop-down. After selecting, only the amount field will be editable. Once you enter the amount, the voucher name will be set as voucher dash followed by the amount. When saved, the system will set its expiry to 2050 automatically. To sell an open voucher, follow the same process as for limited validity vouchers. Simply choose the customer's name, voucher type, and salesperson, then click Add. Proceed to select the payment method and save. When saving the open voucher, the system will generate a unique 4-digit alphanumeric code, which will be printed on the invoice receipt. This feature aids businesses in regulating open vouchers, preventing misuse. To utilize a voucher, create an invoice and select Apply Voucher. Enter the voucher code and click Add. Once the voucher details are displayed, click Done to proceed. Once a voucher code has been used, it cannot be redeemed again. To review voucher utilization, access the voucher details from Voucher menu, enter the client's mobile number, and the system will display a list of issued vouchers along with their status, whether used or not. If utilized, it will also provide the respective invoice number and the invoice date. Thank you very much. For more details, call Deal on 968 9630 2919.